Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming system prerequisites and installing Visual Studio Code. Open it now. Once done, create or select a workspace folder and open the integrated terminal with Control+. Install essential extensions like Python, Prettier, and Git so you have language support and formatting immediately. Make sure to enable auto-update for extensions. This avoids compatibility headaches later. You will jump into Files next, so open a key project file now and pin the Explorer view for quick navigation as you proceed. You now configure the editor for efficient coding. Open Settings and tune font, tab size, formatter, and linting rules. This ensures consistent style across the project. Once done, use the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P to run commands, open files, or change language mode quickly. Set up tasks. JSON to automate builds and a launch. JSON for debugger configurations so you can run and inspect code without leaving the editor. Make sure to save settings to the workspace if only this project needs them. You finish by running and debugging the project. Open the Run view, select a configuration, and set breakpoints to step through code for faster fixes. Once done, manage version control in the source control view. Stage, commit, and push changes. Resolve merge conflicts using the inline editor. If something breaks, make sure to reload the window or disable suspect extensions. Reinstall an extension only if reload fails. Tip: check the Output and Developer Tools console to see errors that clarify what to fix next.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.